Do you think we have two people or two types of people? Some think that AI will kill the human imagination because
Yeah.
it will take over humans and everything related to the normal tasks within the organization, whether it's a process oriented part within the operation and so on and so forth. And some people think that AI can bring some opportunities and harness a lot of new opportunities to rethink their products, even their whole business model. So, from your perspective, will AI kill the human imagination or it will fuel the creativity and innovation across the teams and the functions within the organization?
I think it'll be the latter. And I'll tell you why. And it comes from my experiences from the technology side. So I'll explain a little bit about the technology side so we are all on the same page. Up to now, when we wrote software, we had to understand the logic of that software and we had to code it in there. We had to write if then statements in some sense, either simple or complex, but essentially we're giving a set of rules and saying if this is the case, that's the case. If this is the case, that's the case. We understood that if this is the data, this is the output you're going to get. If you go do a credit check, here are the things that we need to check for from a person. And therefore we say, yes, we give this person a loan. We don't give this person a loan. It's very obvious. If you read the code, you can figure it out. But now we have an environment and we have a tool and a technology that can do arbitrary transformations. In other words, we don't necessarily need to understand the logic in between. If we give a bunch of inputs and we say this inputs relate to these outputs, internally now the machine can create a model that can automatically do this transformation, which is the essential foundation of neural networks.